You guys know the ground rules. It would have been explained to you that you were to stay here and to be silent. Okay?
You're interfering with our capacity to report.
You're pushing your luck. One more comment out of you and you're gone.
Name and badge number, please.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
You need to move out of the way. You're not going to get asked again.
Let it be known.
Okay?
When I couldn't breathe, they didn't do anything. Anything. They just kept pushing the log into my wrist.
You're going to be a silent observer.
That's
You're going to be
twice
removed in your role if you keep talking to people and interfering. Right now, about 3 feet from a person. You're within our work zone, inside the work zone right now.
Yes, but this doesn't, like, this does not have, what I'm saying is, like, you know,
And
that
like maybe
people could be.
Well, by screaming, sometimes you're antagonizing, and then.
No, we were asking people as they came out what tools they were being used. Am I allowed to ask them?
No, don't engage the person.
Can someone narrate what's happening right now?
No, still making a noise.
He currently has his meeting.
Oh, he's choking him. He's choking him.
There's a police officer choking a land defender.
To find something in the look at. Just a few. That's fine. That's what I was told yesterday. The people said, if you want.
You probably won't even certified.
There is currently a fire ban in the forest, yet police are actively operating power tools without personal safety equipment, no PPE for themselves or others. The law says that police have no right to use excessive force when getting people out of the way on a public service access road. If the situation is unsafe, then the police need to stand down. Them going through with unlawful actions that endanger themselves and other people defies the very fundamental essence of what they're here to do, which is to civilly serve and protect.
That's the exclusion line that we created in order.
I've seen it with my own eyes.
There's no baby John.
Be gentle, be gentle.
Yeah,
Please be careful with the top.
Oh, okay. Thank you. One has to escort the other one down.
Did you know if Carney will come to dinner?
1, 2, 3.
You good? Forward? What's the word?
Somebody stand right in front of me. There may be here.
It was you who said you were responsible, knew where you were going. Yeah. So get down here and stay here. Greg,
I guarantee
go get her ass off that hill and she's out of here.
She's sitting at the meeting. She's with us.
Let's go.
Yes, we asked.
Let's go. Start walking or I'm gonna arrest you.
Obstruction of what?
Go, go.
I'm not comfortable with you touching me, sir.
Then walk. Well then,
I'm not comfortable with you touching me.
start walking.
I'm back in the zone. I'm working today. Media's allowed to be here. Media's allowed to be here.
When we ask you to do something, we want you to do it, and then we have a good relationship. But ignoring me and defying me and arguing with me, that ends. Do you understand that?
I can't really see the Yeah, okay, let's go. No, and lots of times when we leave, tell people we're leaving.